Did you know that one of the worst hurricanes in history actually sparked one of the greatest energy comebacks ever? In 2017, Hurricane Maria left Puerto Rico completely powerless. But instead of just rebuilding the old system, the island decided to build something revolutionary. Today, Puerto Rico is becoming a renewable energy powerhouse. Massive solar farms like the 200-megawatt Oriana project now power thousands of homes. Tesla built the world's largest battery storage system in Aguadilla, storing clean energy for when the sun doesn't shine. Rooftop solar panels are popping up everywhere, making families energy independent for the first time. This green revolution created over 8,000 new jobs and attracted international companies to build manufacturing plants on the island. Electricity costs are dropping dramatically for families and businesses. Puerto Rico now aims to run entirely on renewable energy by 2050. What started as a disaster became an opportunity. Puerto Rico isn't just rebuilding stronger, it's becoming a model for other Caribbean islands to follow. Sometimes the biggest setbacks lead to the greatest breakthroughs.